Hey everyone, so I have something really exciting to share with you today. I was recently sent the whole range of the Rouge Bunny Rouge Full Color Matte Velvet Whispers lipsticks. These are incredible. I will leave a link to the page where you can buy them down below. They're the brand new products to be released from Rouge Bunny Rouge. Now, I love Rouge Bunny Rouge. I've been using Rouge Bunny Rouge for years. Their products are absolute, like the epitome of luxury to me. I absolutely love them. I've never come across a product from theirs that I was on the fence about. I've always loved every single thing I've tried. I was sent some other bits from Rouge Bunny Rouge, but I will include those in another video because I don't want this video to be too long. I just wanted to be about the Velvet Whispers lipsticks. They're €29 a piece, but as I said, they are a luxury brand, so that's understandable. So I have all of them here to share with you, and I'm wearing one today. And I'll start with the one that I'm wearing today, which is Sanguine. Oh, can you believe it? Can you actually believe it? It's going to be the last one. Now, Sanguine Sigh. To begin with, okay, if you look at the packaging, their packaging I just love. Look at this. It's like a magnet. Everything about their products is just absolutely lush. Just lush. They don't have a scent, which I actually quite like because I know a lot of people are kind of scent sensitive. So they don't have a scent. These babies, I know people are kind of a bit funny about matte lipsticks. It's always kind of, I've found, it always kind of feels a little bit drying. These, on the other hand, do not. I have this one on today. Looks like this in the tube. It's so beautiful. What I love about these lipsticks, from what I've kind of experienced wearing them so far, is that you can kind of blur them out a bit. They're not a full-on like whack of colour unless you really want it to be. You can actually kind of block them down. I put this on from the tube, this one. And then I kind of went around it and kind of like smudged it in with a lip brush. And it gave this beautiful kind of like blown effect. It's absolutely gorgeous. So don't think that, you know, you really have to, because with a lot of times with mattes, you really have to go big or go home with them. You have to wear them or they wear you. So you have to be really confident in wearing them. These aren't like that. They are very, very, very pigmented, as you can see. But they're not... It's not an either or situation. You can definitely sheer these out, which I absolutely love. Okay, the next, and also their names of their products are absolutely just gorgeous. They're like fairyland names. They have one for everyone. They have reds, they have their brights, and then they do some nudes as well. So I love that. So Mirthful Innuendo, this is one of the nudes. So let me see where I can swatch this. Oh, so pretty. I actually didn't want to touch them. You know, like when you get new makeup and it's just too pretty to touch. I was like that. I was like, I don't want to touch them. And I thought, well, you have to do the review. So I kind of, yeah, I made myself. So that's Mirthful Innuendo. I absolutely love that. If you were big on like quite heavy eye makeup, which sometimes I am, a lot of the time. I mean, today I've kind of gone with something that's a bit neutral because I knew that I wanted to wear this particular shade. But if you're kind of like, this is a beautiful one if you do like, this would go with any colour eyeshadow, I think. So that's Mirthful Innuendo, that one there. The stretch on these is beautiful. I talk about stretch a lot with lipsticks because I think it's important that you have a lipstick that doesn't just kind of just sit there and there's nothing you can do about it if you make a mistake. I think that's really important. The next one I have is Lighthearted Murmur. Oh, this is pretty. This is another nude. This is a pinkier nude than the Mirthful Innuendo. I love everything about these. Don't want to touch them. So that's Mirthful Innuendo. These are very light swatches I'm doing because I want to kind of show oh, okay, you know what, you've seen that, so I want to show like you can get a really strong colour with these. The next one is Innocent Inhale. Oh, I love this. Oh, that. Look at this. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's Innocent Inhale. Don't you love this? Don't you love the stretch on these? Oh my goodness, the stretch on these is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Next one, Visionary Breath. Ooh. Now this is beautiful. This is like a gorgeous, like quite a pale coral. Look at this. Oh, so pretty. Wow. Look at that. I will link every single one of these down below. The next one is Ambitious Insinuation. And this is a red. This is a really gorgeous red. It's coming up on camera a little... Oh, no, actually, do you know what? No, it's not. No, I was going to say it's coming up a little bit brighter than it is, but actually that is a... Woof! That is a big red. That's red, ladies. Okay. I love matte reds. So that's that one there. Absolutely stunning. And the last one from the Velvet Whispers collection is Vigorous Whiff. Ah, Vigorous Whiff. Oh, this is beautiful. I tell you, if you are looking for one, we're coming up into the autumn, winter months now, if you're looking for one that is absolutely, like, totally seasonal appropriate, Vigorous Whiff. Look at this. This is so my colour. This is so my colour. Where am I going to swatch Vigorous Whiff? Because she is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Oh. Look at that. It's like a Bordeaux colour. Oh my goodness. Look at that. They really can. I mean, I've gone quite light on these swatches, mainly because I don't want to like ruin the bullet before I've used them. I have gone quite light, but I think that's important because I think especially nowadays, you have to put into consideration when you buy makeup, like, is it going to stay on when you're wearing a mask? This is the thing, okay, we have to wear masks now, but it's not going to be forever, and I think it's important that you kind of have, especially lip products, it's important that you have lip products that do stay put. I don't have trouble with lipstick transferring to a mask when I have to wear one anyway. I just don't have that problem, but then I'm not a face toucher, so I think maybe that's it. I just don't kind of, when I put my makeup on, that's it. I don't know, I don't have that problem, but these I haven't, they don't transfer. Don't you love them? So those are all of the full colour matte Velvet Whispers lipsticks from Rouge Bunny Rouge. As I said, I will link all of them down below, €29. Everyone deserves a bit of luxury, especially in these times. These times are very trying. They're not the nicest of times. No one knows what's going on. Everything's kind of hard and a little bit grey and dull. And I just think, you know, people might think, what do you want lipstick for? Well, you know what? Because you want one, and a little bit of luxury never did anybody any harm, and it, you know, it always cheers me up. So I think these lipsticks are absolutely stunning. They're worth the price. Everything from Rouge Bunny Rouge is worth the price because it is sheer luxury. As I mentioned, I do have some other products. I have some other lip products and some other various products that they were very kind to send to me along with the Velvet Whispers lipsticks, but I will do that in a separate video because I don't want to go over long with this one. So it's a 10 out of 10. If I could give it an 11 out of 10, I would do. Absolutely. If you're looking for a little bit of luxury, you want to treat yourself. I mean, I cannot pick like a favorite shade, but this Vigorous Whiff, I think this is absolutely perfect. Perfect for the time of year we're coming into. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. I hope it was helpful. As I said, they are the newest releases from Rouge Bunny Rouge. Something pretty, which we all need in these times. We all need something a little bit pretty just to kind of cheer ourselves up, don't we? There is nothing wrong with that. Okie dokie. Come and follow me on Instagram. It's Wildcat Makeup. I'm always there. If I'm not here, then I will be there. And you can ask me a question if you have one. And yeah, all the information will be below. So I hope you enjoyed that. As I said, I told the truth. I said I would be back, and I'm back. Look at me. And I have a lot more videos coming on the way, guys. So stay tuned for those. Make sure that you have your notifications turned on so that you know that my videos have gone into your sub box. Yeah, I love you guys. Okay. See you. Bye.